Hi guys. Today's video is about unboxing Ultra Music Festival 2023 tickets. I received these tickets using the will call pickup method. This method means that you need to go to a pickup point near the festival site and pick up your tickets. When you arrive at will call pickup, you will need to bring the email with your order confirmation and barcode along with a valid form of identification that matches the name on the order. Without these items, you may be denied entry to the event and no refund will be issued. Friday night I got my box in 2 minutes. I was asked to show the ticket purchase confirmation email and ID. In the official Instagram group, you can find the link in the video description. There is a map where you can find will call pickup places. This is my first festival and the unpacking was very exciting. Let's get started. Together with the wristband, I was given a black cardboard box with the logo of the festival. Compared to the box from the festival in 2022, this one looks much more beautiful. Apparently the issue of ecology has faded into the background. Inside the box, we will find a beautiful piece of paper that tells you how to use the wristband and a few more warnings so that you familiarize yourself with the rules of what you can bring with you to the festival. Please pay attention to this, because you cannot bring large bags, a professional camera and other things with you. Check out the list, link in video description. Next, we see a keychain with the Ultra logo. For some reason, the keychain is already well scratched. Nothing out of the ordinary, looks pretty cheap. Also we see 3 sealed plastic bags and silica gel. Let's unpack them and see what's inside. In the first package we see a metal bracelet, resistance. A nice thing that will adequately gather dust on the shelf. Open the second package and see a lot of stickers with festival logos. Maybe I will find a use for one of these stickers and stick it on my MacBook. Which sticker do you like the most? And in the third package we see an interesting badge that you can hang on your bag and write your name, address, phone number and city there. Looks pretty good and might help you get your lost luggage back. Or you may need this badge if you overdose with alcohol and need to somehow get to your house or hotel. This completes the unpacking. Now we are waiting for 3 days of an exciting music festival. If you do not have the opportunity to attend this event, subscribe to my channel, like and leave comments, and soon you will definitely see a video report. Thanks for watching this video to the end.